Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add 2 or more accounts on the same computer in OneDrive. Without any further ado, let's get started. Start by opening your Microsoft OneDrive app, which you'll find on the bottom right of your taskbar within your system tray. Click on the OneDrive icon to open it. Once you click, a small OneDrive window will appear on your screen. This is your main access point for managing all your OneDrive settings and accounts. Now, to add multiple accounts on the same computer, navigate to the top right part of this OneDrive window and click on the gear icon. This is your settings menu. A drop-down context menu will appear with several options listed. From this list of options, click on Settings. This will open a new OneDrive settings window where you can configure various aspects of your OneDrive experience. Once the OneDrive settings window appears, start by clicking on the Accounts tab located on the left side menu. This section is specifically designed for managing all the accounts connected to OneDrive on your computer. From here, you'll see an option to add an account displayed next to your current account details. Go ahead and click on it. This is where you'll be able to link additional Microsoft accounts to your OneDrive, allowing you to access multiple cloud storage spaces from the same device. After clicking, a sign-in window will appear on your screen. Simply sign in with the account you wish to add to this computer and access its OneDrive storage. Enter your email address and password for the second account, and follow any additional verification steps if prompted. Once you complete the sign-in process, your new account will be added to OneDrive, and you'll be able to switch between accounts seamlessly whenever you need to access files from different OneDrive storage spaces. And that's it. You've successfully added multiple accounts to OneDrive on the same computer, giving you easy access to all your cloud storage in one place. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.